Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a split screen layout in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's row settings, which let you design a clean two-column hero section. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Go to the page where you want to add the split screen. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and choose a two-column row. This will give you the foundation for your split layout. In the left column, start by adding a text module for the main heading. Click the plus icon, search for text, and type something like "Welcome to our site." Below that, add another text module for a short description. For example, we create modern solutions to help you grow your business online. Explore our services to see how we can work together. Next, add a button module. Change the text to something like "Get Started" or "Learn More" and link it to your services or product page. By stacking these three modules, a heading, a short description, and a button, you build a strong introduction section that pairs well with the image or background you'll add to the right column. In the right column, you can add an image module or even set a background image. Many people use this space for a photo, an illustration, or a product shot to balance the text on the other side. To make it look like a true split screen, open the row settings. Under the Design tab, adjust the sizing so the row takes up the full width of the screen. You can also enable equal column heights so both sides line up evenly, which helps the design feel more balanced. If needed, you can also adjust the gutter width so the two columns sit right next to each other with no extra spacing. If you want to add more visual interest, open the column settings for each side. Here you can give one side a solid background color while leaving the other with an image. You might also experiment with gradients or subtle textures to create contrast. In addition, you can add padding around the content, round the corners for a softer look, or apply drop shadows to make the layout feel more modern and professional. Once your layout looks good, click the green checkmark to save your changes. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page and you will now see your split screen hero section live. This is a quick and effective way to design a modern landing page or hero section with Divi. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.